Hi, grade 5. Some of you were asking me on how to get started on the bar graph, so I'm just going to give you a little overview right now. So on page 268 of your textbook, there is a chart about the students' favorite board games. So this is question number 1. So this is the one that I'm going to do. So for this bar graph, I'm going to put the numbers of students going up the side. So this first one down here will start with 0. So by using text box, I'm going to make a text box and I'm going to put a 0 in it. Now, then I'm going to move it around a little bit so it looks like it is right on the line. Okay, I'm looking at my chart now and I see that the highest number on the chart is 16. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one's 5, there's 10, there's 15, 16. Yes, I can fit it all on this page. So I'm just going to label it every 5. So I'm going to make another text box. And I'm going to make another text box. And I'll just move them around later. Okay, so this one here, inside the text box, I want to put number 5. And inside this one, I want to put number 10. And then inside another text box, I'm going to put a number 15. Now all I have to do is go and move them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take this one and move it down a little bit. Oh, this is not working great. So there, 5. So this line here is 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one there is 10. So I'm going to go grab it. I'm going to move it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move it up just a little bit. And I'm going to grab this one and put it in line again, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this line up here is 15. All right, so that is my first thing that I have to do. So I've got it labeled. So along the bottom of the graph, the first one I'm going to do is Monopoly. So I'm going to use a text box again, and I'm going to make the text box happen here. And inside the text box, I'm going to do Monopoly. All right. I'm going to shorten it up a bit, don't need it that big. I'm going to do another text box that says Scrabble. I'm going to do another text box that says Life. And I'm going to do another text box that says Clue. All right, so I've got all my text box made, and I'm going to be moving them in a little bit. All right, now what we have to do is we have to draw a rectangle. Now, before I start doing that, I should pick a girl color and pick a boy color. So I'm going to pick a shape, a square. So if I do a square. That is tealy blue. That is going to be a color for a girl. Okay, and if I copy that and paste it, move it down, maybe not quite that far down here. How about I put it over here? Change the color of it. So that color is going to be for a boy. Okay, so now I've got my colors picked, and I'm going to show you how to do the ones for Monopoly. So the first one is girls. 8 girls like to play Monopoly, 9 boys. So I'm going to draw a shape. So I'm going to start with a rectangle. It has to be 8 tall. So there's 10, there's 9, there's 8. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. That is about that long. And I'm going to switch it to my girl color. Okay, so I have shown that 8 girls like to play Monopoly. Now, 9 boys like to. So I'm going to make another shape. And it has to start at the 9 this time. And I'm going to bring it down a bit more. And I'm going to switch it to my boy color. There. So I have done my first game. 8 girls like to play it, 9 boys like to play it, and I've represented it in a double bar graph. Now, a reminder what other things that you need to have a title at the top. So my title is going to be favorite board games. And I'm going to center it, and I'm going to increase the font to make it larger. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. Now you go ahead and you try to do Scrabble, Life, and Clue. Okay, remember that you need to have a title going down this one and the title going across the bottom. So going across the bottom, the title there would be types of games. And I'm going to highlight it and make it bigger. And I'm going to center it. Okay, and I'm going to make another one over here. And it should be the number of students. Now, let's highlight it and make it bigger. I don't know what I did the other one as. If it's too hard to manipulate it, you can always increase it. Now, with this one, if you touch this dot, you can turn it. And now it'll go that way. Number of students And I can also center that one. There we go. There. So now I've got my titles going on it, and we can carry on. All right, I hope that helps. It took a long time. Sorry about that. Bye.